Hello, 7th hour. I just thought I'd make a quick video because we are now done with kind of all the Excel lessons I feel that we are able to complete at home. So the lessons over just the next couple of weeks will just be kind of some things that will help you here in your future with mainly different document type things. So just preparing you for maybe some things you'll have to do as you get older or definitely in college, as I am working on taking some classes as well. So what we're going to start on next is an outline. And you may or may have not done this before, but probably without a doubt you'll be making an outline when you do a term paper. So this just kind of explains what it is. It helps kind of get you organized for an essay, a research paper, a speech. So definitely some good skills that you'll want to have. And then this is the example one here that you will be typing. This is just the example one. So notice we have our title, it's all in capital letters and it's centered. And then we have what's known as our first level heading. And it starts just with the Roman numeral 1, which is an I. So when you go to type that in, if you do a capital I period, and then it should kind of start to auto format things. Then you can see our next level is capital letters, and then our next level is actual numbers. But Google Docs should do all of that automatically for you. So then here, when we get to actually doing it, here is our scenario. So we're saying that you're writing a report on Scarlett Ross, and you're going to create an outline. You have an introduction and a conclusion, as well as your 3 points. So I'm not going to read the rest of that. First, you're going to want to set up your document. So we're just going to be using Google Docs and create your new document. You can call it this. And then the rest of these things should be good. Portrait up and down. Margins are always set to 1. And then you'll want to check these things. Line spacing, single, and then that our font is Times New Roman and our size is 12. So that's just our basic document setup. And then you have our instructions over here. Now, they have some things that you're going to want to change or do. But here is your actual document that you are typing. So notice, this is capitalized and centered and all of this stuff. And it says a lot with tabbing, but hopefully I believe that Google Docs should do that automatically for you. So you shouldn't really need to tab most of these things over. Unless it's telling you to specifically. And so that's all you're going to do is just kind of one outline. Like I said, get you some good practice for things you'll probably be doing later in your high school career. So hopefully that all makes sense. Let me know if you have any questions.